Welcome back to Do It Yourself Minimum Lovable Governance. In this episode, the topic is SLA, Service Level Agreement. And again, I did a little preparations. Like last time, for the data quality, I added the DQ folder, which is for the reusable profiles for data quality. I did the same now for the SLA. Exactly the same under the products, and then I created a simple profiles.yaml file like the DQ profile file, exactly the same structure, and again two SLA profiles. One is the default and one is the premium, and these are now in a separate file in SLA folder, so we can reuse them in different products. And we have the flight schedules Abu Dhabi, a data product over here, and we can see the data contract here. We can see the data quality defined last time. Now let's add the SLA. So a simple, very simple prompt for Claude. Now let's add SLA to existing data product in the products folder. Remember the read governance rules first. All right, here we go. And as a reminder, the last instruction, remember the read governance rules first, is guiding Claude always go through specific rules collection as a soft guardrail, how it should be behaving, and how to apply the ODPS in this company. And as I can see, it has been reading the SLA. It found the SLA YAML files, profiles. Very good. Taking a lot of time. Okay, now it's doing something. And yes, the result is here, SLA, and it's referencing to SLA folder and a file profiles.yaml, and inside that YAML file to add exact profile of default. Very nice. The question again might be that how did it know to do it this way instead of putting the SLA dimensions in line, for example. Well, same as last time. So when the data quality rules were added, we extended the governance rules with the specific rules for Claude. Here are the data quality profiles, and then in number 12 is the using SLA profiles. And again, same kind of guidance. So when adding SLA element to a data product, always look into SLA folder for available profiles. Profiles are defined in YAML files inside the SLA. In the data product file, define the SLA element, and under it include a ref pointing to the selected profile. So this is guiding the Claude to use the referencing instead of putting it in line. For the clarity's sake, there's always a rule. There's also a rule that in this company, inline SLA definitions are not allowed. Every data product must use ref. So this is the company policy that we are applying now on the AI itself. And now we have the SLA defined, and it's pointing to default profile. And now, okay. This is not a very good example of reusing. So one better example is that we create another product. And then we reuse all these SLAs and data qualities. So let's see. I created a little longer but very simple prompt still. So let's take the existing data product and use it as template. We need a new data product. It is about average time to clear checkpoints and security gates put through. The idea is to give accurate estimate information to customers how long it takes. This can be used in boards, in airport, in apps, guiding users, and so on. So what we're expecting to see is a new data product. It should be using SLAs it should be using data quality, and so on. Let's see. Now we are getting to the point that we're utilizing, at least to some extent, the generative AI instead of just replacing some elements here and there. Well, let's see. I'll create a new data product. Yes, good. Update to-dos, read the existing template. Yes, it did it. I started to create a data contract as well for this specific data product. And it's going to go into data contracts folder. It's already done it. And now it's creating a new data product YAML file. So it decided to do it in this order. First the the contract, and then it's creating the product itself, which makes sense, at least to some extent. All right. So here it is, still doing some cleanup, but we can already see it. Checkpoints, clearance, times YAML file. And it wrote the summary, what it actually did. So it did create a product, checkpoint, added contract reference, which is over here in data contracts, added data quality default, SLA default, and it wrote also the product strategy KPI, which always you need to check. It's in AI, so you need to verify it with your business team, and even added one product KPI for this specific data product so that we can verify to the business level that it's actually contributing to our business level objective as well. Very neat, very clear. All right. So this time we added SLA, and now we can see that we are reusing it in different data products, at least two of them, SLA and data quality, and so on. And you can repeat this in coming data products as well. All right, that's about it. Thank you, and see you again next time.